Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to remove the Blackhawk belt attachment tool, and I'm going to add the Blade Tech quick release attachment tool, so then this becomes modular amongst all my Blade Tech receivers. Using my Wheeler fat wrench and these bits. If you like my content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. So take this off first, and I'm going to use these Blackhawk hardware if I can, if it works with this, which it should, I think. Now, the Blade Tech quick release tab, or whatever this is called, comes with hardware. So if you're putting it on a holster that doesn't have its own, or you're putting it on something that doesn't have its own hardware, it comes with hardware, so you can use it. I'm doing that, doing this for this holster because I just recently got a Gen 6 Glock that I want to, I'm going to want to train with. And until I have the light and optic on it, it won't, well, I don't think the optic matters, but I have this Safariland Glock 17 light holster, or that accommodates a light, and I want to see how that works. But until I get the light, I want to still be able to use my new Glock 17. Hardware seems to be going well using the bottom screw placement. Everything fits. Tighten these down. I'm not torquing them, but I'm making them snug. All right. Let's see how we did. So here's one of the, this is the thigh mount. Oh, baby. Now, look at this. Oh, legit. And with the Blade Tech quick release, you can adjust the cant. If you want it back, do that. And your pistol ride this way. If you want it canted forward, you can ride that way. So far, I like mine in the vertical orientation. Look at that. These Blade Tech quick release mounts, pretty darn sharp. Then, oh, I don't want to use this. I'm going to switch to my shadow system, which has a light on it that works in this holster-ish. Not very well, but that's all I have right now. Boom. Now I can switch platforms and practice with this. Now, this is a Glock 17 holster. This is a Glock 17 holster just without the light attachment. I'm very pleased with how it works with the Glock 17 Gen 6. These are old. These were made and produced before the Gen 6 was in production. So I wanted to know if it would work with these. And it does. Look at that. Beauty. Won't work with this without the light. So I need to get a light for this. So stay tuned for that. But this guy's all put together and ready to rock. Hope that helps.